What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'd like to share with you two sites to earn free Shiba coin for free. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and do join our Telegram group for more videos. Let's dive straight into the video. The first site that we use to earn our free Shiba coins for free is called freeshib.biz. freeshib.biz, any easily Shiba coin. Simple tasks like crypto claim, short links, offer PTC site will bring you a large amount of Shiba daily. So here, these are some of the coins that I work with. I work with Shiba Inu coin, Solana coin, Binance, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Tron. Currently, this is the total number of users they have, and this is the total amount that has been earned on the platform so far, and this is the total withdrawal that has been on the platform so far, and this is the number of days that the platform has been running. So when we scroll a little bit down here, these are their main features of freeshib.biz. So this is what they offer. They have manual claim. You can claim through their manual. You can also earn through their auto crypto, and you can also earn through their pay to click. And these are their latest withdrawal that have happened so far. You can just go through them. So in order for us to earn free Shiba with this platform, what we have to do is to register. So here, let's click on register. So here we're taken to the register page. Register process is free and simple. All you need to do is to enter your personal information. So these are their rules that you have to follow. Just go through it before you register. So you just put in your email, your username, your password. You repeat your password, complete the captcha, then you register. But since I've already registered with them, so I just log in. So here I'm taken to the login page. Here you can see my credential have pop up. So I just confirm I'm not a robot. Then I just verify. Then I'll click login. So here I'm taken to my dashboard on freeshib.biz. So now let's just go through some of the ways that we can earn with freeshib.biz. Let's go to the crypto earning. So let's just click on this. Here you can earn by manual claiming. So here, this is the manual claiming. So with the manual claiming, you can claim every 5 minutes. So let's just fill the captcha. Let's click collect your reward. This token has been added to your balance. So as easy as that. So you can come back and claim after every 5 minutes. So manual claim reward, you can see the token has been added to the manual claim. So another way that we can also earn is through their daily bonus. Let's click on daily bonus. So with the daily bonus, you can claim every 24 hours. So let's click claim. You can see 100 token has been added to your balance. So click OK. So currently you can see your total balance so far that we have earned. So let's go back to the crypto earning. You can claim extra claim. Let's click on extra claim. Let's just fill this captcha. Let's click I'm not a robot. Collect your reward. So 11 token has been added to your balance. So with the extra claim, you can claim after every 120 minutes. So let's go through with some of the ways you can also earn. So let's go to earning. Let's go to short links. You can earn through their with their short links. So with their short links, you can earn 100 tokens and 3 energy. What you have to do just to click on this, claim, then you go through some few steps, then you're able to earn with it. So as simple as that. So you can also earn through their pay to click. Let's click on pay to click. So with the pay to click, what you have to do just to view these pages for some few seconds, then you earn. You can earn about 40 tokens for viewing this page for about 10 seconds. So let's click on it. So let's wait for the countdown. 40 tokens has been added to your balance. As simple as that. So here you can also earn through their referral. Invite your friend and earn 50% of their earning. This is your referral link. What you have to do just to copy your referral link, then share it to your friends or your family. When you participate with freeshiba.biz, you can earn 15% of what they earn. So as simple as that. This is your referral. You can just copy and start share with your friends or your family. When you get to the minimum withdrawal, you just put in your Shiba Inu address, then you hit withdraw, then it will withdraw to your wallet. As simple as that. So the second site that we use to earn our free Shiba Inu is called manshiba.fan. So currently we are on their page. Currently they have more than 60,000 users, and this is the total that has been earned so far on the platform, and this is the amount that has been withdrawn so far on the platform. And these are some of the services they offer. Here they have manual faucet, they have short links, they have roll faucet, and they have auto faucet that you can also participate and earn with manshiba.fan. In order for us to start earning our free Shiba, what we have to do is to register. So let's click on register. So here on the register page, you put in your email, your password, then you confirm, then you complete your captcha, then you register. just go through their rules in order for you to be able to abreast yourself with their rules, not to get banned. So as simple as that. So after doing that, what you have to do is just to sign up. So after signing up, but since I've already signed up with them, I'll just log in. Let me just click here, I'm not a robot. Then I'll log in. So here you can see currently I'm on my dashboard. So let's just go through some of the ways that you can earn with madshiba.fan. So first of all, what you can earn through is click here, claim. Let's just claim. So let's just complete this captcha. You can see this is the amount of coins that has been added to my balance. Another way they can also earn is through their roll faucet. So let's just roll and earn. So here let's just confirm I'm not a robot. So here you can see the amount of coins that I've won. Just click OK. So another way they can also earn is through their short links. So let's go to the short link page. So on this short links, all you have to do is just to follow through the steps. When you click on go, you take you to another page where you follow through the steps. After following through the steps, you're able to earn this amount of coins. So as simple as that, you can just participate in this short links to earn these free coins. Another way they can also earn is through their PTC site. So let's go to their PTC site. So their PTC site, you can earn about 600,000 coins just for viewing this page for about 5 seconds. So let's just click. So let's wait for the countdown. Just confirm I'm not a robot. And let's verify. You can see 6,000 coins has been added to your balance. So you can just go through. They have videos where you can also earn with this platform. You can just go through them to see the one that you feel that you can participate in, then start earning. It's as simple as that. After getting to the minimum withdrawal, what you have to do is just to click on withdraw. So you can see your total payable balance. So here when you come to withdrawal page, and not to forget, you can also earn through their referral. You can earn 50% referral commission from people that you have referred or your family that participate with madshiba.fan. So this is how you earn with them. You just refer your friends and your family, then you earn a 50% commission from what they have earned. So what they are telling us here is that there's no maximum withdrawal. You can withdraw any amount that you want. So what you have to do in order to withdraw, just put in your email, your Faucet Pay address here, then you click withdraw, then which later on you can change these coins into Shiba Inu. As simple as that. So let me just put in my here. Let me click instant withdraw. You can see this amount of Satoshi has been sent to your wallet, so which can be converted into Shiba Inu. So that's how you earn your free Shiba Inu coins with these two sites. You just participate with this site, earn your coins, then you convert them to Shiba Inu. As simple as that. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.